Imagine this, you're 25 years old, living paycheck to paycheck, scrolling through Instagram, and all you see are people living their best lives, luxury cars, dream vacations, financial freedom. Meanwhile, you're stuck wondering, how do they do it? Am I just not good enough? Well, let me tell you something. I was that guy. I was broke, frustrated, and felt like I was falling behind in life, but here's the kicker: I turned it all around. I built not one, not two, but 4 income streams. And I did it as a completely normal guy with no special skills or rich parents. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how I did it. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to stop being broke and start building the life you've always dreamed of. But fair warning, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. This is about making smart, strategic moves that compound over time. So, are you ready to take control of your financial future? Let's dive in. Let's rewind to where it all began. I was working a 9-to-5 job, barely making ends meet. Every month was the same story: paycheck comes in, bills go out, and I'm left with, well, not much. One day, I hit rock bottom. I couldn't even afford to fix my car when it broke down. I had to borrow money from a friend, and let me tell you, that feeling of helplessness, it sucked, but that moment was my wake-up call. I realized something crucial: if I kept doing the same thing, I'd keep getting the same results. I needed to change my mindset and take action. So, I started researching, reading, and learning everything I could about building wealth. And that's when I discovered the power of multiple income streams. But here's the thing: most people think you need to be a genius or have a ton of money to start. Spoiler alert, you don't. You just need a plan. And that's exactly what I created. Income stream number 1, side hustles. The first income stream I built was a side hustle. Now, I know what you're thinking: ugh, another video telling me to drive for Uber. But hear me out. A side hustle doesn't have to be boring or time-consuming. The key is to find something that aligns with your skills and interests. For me, it was freelance writing. I started small, taking on gigs after work and on weekends. Within a few months, I was making an extra $1,000 a month. Not life-changing, but it gave me breathing room. And here's the best part: it opened my eyes to the potential of earning outside my 9-to-5. Plus, let's be real, who doesn't want to tell their boss, "Sorry, I can't work late, I've got a side hustle to attend to"? Income stream number 2, investing. Now, here's where things get exciting. My second income stream was investing. And no, I'm not talking about gambling on meme stocks or crypto. I started with the basics: index funds and ETFs. I set aside a small portion of my income every month and let compound interest work its magic. Fun fact: if you invest just $200 a month starting at 25, by the time you're 65, you could have over $500,000. That's the power of compounding, and it's why investing is non-negotiable if you want to build wealth. But here's the catch: you have to start now. The longer you wait, the more you lose. And trust me, you don't want to be the person who says, "I wish I started sooner." Income stream number 3, online business. The third income stream was a game changer for me: an online business. I know, everyone's doing it. But here's the truth: the internet is the great equalizer. I started a small blog about personal finance, sharing what I was learning along the way. Over time, it grew into a platform where I could sell digital products and courses. And guess what? This income stream is scalable. Once you create the product, it can generate income on autopilot. That's the beauty of the digital age: you can reach millions without leaving your couch. Plus, you get to say you're an entrepreneur at parties. Instant credibility, right? Income stream number 4, real estate. Finally, the fourth income stream, real estate. Now, I'll be honest, this one took some time to build. But once I had some savings from my other income streams, I took the plunge. I started with a small rental property. It wasn't glamorous, but it provided steady cash flow and long-term appreciation. And here's the kicker: real estate is one of the best ways to build generational wealth. Imagine owning multiple properties that pay you every month, even while you sleep. That's the dream, right? But here's the thing: you don't need to be a millionaire to start. There are creative ways to get into real estate, even with limited funds. And I'll cover that in a future video, so stay tuned. So, there you have it, the 4 income streams that changed my life. From side hustles to investing, online business, and real estate. Each one played a crucial role in helping me stop being broke and start living the life I always wanted. But here's the truth: building wealth isn't about luck or talent. It's about taking consistent, intentional action. And the sooner you start, the sooner you'll see results. Remember, you don't have to be extraordinary to achieve extraordinary results. You just have to be willing to take the first step. If you're ready to take your financial journey to the next level, check out my next video on the power of compounding. Trust me, it's a game changer. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which income stream you're most excited to start. Thanks for watching, and remember, your financial freedom is closer than you think. See you in the next video.